Angela and welcome to Buck Ridge Homestead. I can't wait to share this new journey with you. We've just acquired a property that we have 35 acres and we're in northern British Columbia and we're starting from scratch, and I wanted to bring you along on the journey. I love doing cooking and baking and canning and preserving and stocking up in the pantry and making things from scratch. I just get so much joy from it. I love gardening. We have chickens, and I just thought that it would be fun to film and save some of these memories. We had a big farm years ago, and then we downsized for a lot of years, and then we just craved that privacy and seclusion and just that joy of being able to run around your yard and just be free with no close neighbors. So now we have it, and I'm really excited to share some fun things with you. So unfortunately, also recently I've been diagnosed with a terminal disease and a rare condition where I'm also waiting for a heart transplant, and so I really want to document these memories. And so the more things I can film with my grandchildren and cooking and things, they can also watch. So I hope that you'll join me, and if those things interest you, you might love to follow along. Also, if you want to find me on Instagram, I'm at Insightful Self. Regularly, I'm a professional counselor, but right now I'm just a homesteading mama, and I have 3 grown kids who are all moved out, so it's just me and my hubby and 4 chihuahuas, and we just absolutely love it here. So on occasion the kids will be around and things like that. So as we expand our farm and grow and make things more beautiful and build on, and hopefully all of our dreams and big plans and drawings will come true, and I can get it all on film and capture it. So I'd love to have you follow along if that's something you're interested in. And if you do, subscribe. That would be wonderful. And I hope to see you in my first video, friends. Bye.